warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mardela. I'm from Class D English Education with name H012234 5. So I will explain about the summary of the material from the first week to the seventh week. The first assessment, language and testing. Language assessment in the process of assessing or estimating the level or magnitude of a person's ability attributes, while language testing is a process to assess a person's ability in language. There are several things that must be considered in this assessment and testing, namely measurement and evaluation, assessment and learning, formal and non-formal assessment, formative and summative, and what is the test on norms and criteria. The goal is to measure proficiency, place student at one of several levels of course, or diagnose the strength and weakness of the system. But we need to know that there is problem the assessment with the development of history behavior in language. The two principle of language. Language assessment principle guide the design and implementation of effective language tests. Among there are validate the test, measure what you want to measure. This means the test must accurately assess the language skill and knowledge it claims to be evaluated. For example, tests designed to measure reading comprehension should actually assess a person's ability to understand written text, not just their vocabulary knowledge. Reliability. The test produces consistent results. This ensures the person's score is not significantly affected by a factor such as the time or the specific version of the test they are taking. Practically, the test is worth carrying out and assessing. The show the should be efficient in terms of time, resource, and cost. Authenticity. The test reflects real-life use of the language. It involves tasks relevant to the use of the target language, such as listening to conversation, reading original text, or engaging in written communication. Positive impact. Tests positively affect language learning. The test should encourage learners to focus on skill and knowledge that are essential for success in the target language. Fairness. The test must be fair to all test takers. This means that the test should be free of bias and provide an equal opportunity for all to demonstrate their language proficiency. Transparency. Test takers understand the criteria used for assessment. This allow them to prepare effectively and understand how their performance is evaluated. The three designing language tests. Designing a language test in the classroom in the process of creating language tests to assess student ability in the classroom, with a focus on the expectation of measuring learning progress. The goal is to produce a correct and a relevant test. There are several types of language test uses. The first, language proficiency test, the two, skill test, the three, fluency test, the four, test diagnosis test. Performance test. Designing language test in the classroom opens up careful planning by understanding the objectives and objectives of the test accurately and can make assessment more precise, meaningful, and helps to better understand students' ability. 4. Standard-based assessment is a approach that focuses on assessing student ability based on a established standard, the goal of which is to evaluate students' academic achievement, such as in California using English language proficiency to assess standard achievement. The implementation of this standard-based assessment has an impact including ordinary tests and test-driven learning and teaching, as well as critical language testing and is an ethical approach is assessing the assessment system to ensure fairness and benefits for students. 5. Standardized testing not only focus on standard-based assessment but also involves administrative procedure with test normality, which means the private the tools based on scores assessing whether they meet certain benchmark. The advantage that is the test can be more efficient and practical, valid, and reliable. Assessment and reporting are fast, while the disadvantages are the potential for abuse as well as false authority. Okay, I think enough for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.